What are they doing, Josiah? What happened?
Cut your head off.
We're gonna cut your head off with the Cielo.
The smell of the wood is gross right now.
You don't like the smell of wood? I like the smell of wood.
I already feel sick.
Josiah broke his bed.
No, you.
Nah, I broke his bed. I was on his bed last night, standing on it, trying to put like a thumbtack in the wall, and it broke. So we had to come here and get a new board. It cut like straight in half. Hey, you work for Home Depot or just like
kind of. I mean, we're like merchandise.
Oh, okay. You scared? You going over there, Cielo? You don't like it? I don't think no matter where you stand, it's gonna smell. So we gotta fix your bed. That's about it, yeah. Josiah's in the car throwing a fit. You gonna help me fix your bed, bro? Josiah?
Do we have stuff to fix it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to like just lay it down on there.
You're not gonna like put a nail or a screw?
I'm just gonna put it on there. I think it'll be all right. Just no one can go on the bed no more. Besides him with his little light ass. You're beautiful. You know that? We're leaving Home Depot now. I think we just pay right here at self-checkout. You having fun?
No.
Yeah?
Don't go fast. Go fast, I dare you.
You like that? Yeah? All right, come on.
Come here, Tubby.
Go with your mom. Go with your mama. All right. So we're gonna take these boards, take them back to the house.
Cut your head off.
We're gonna cut your head off, bro. We're gonna cut your tongue out your mouth. That's what we're gonna do, actually.
Mommy.
So you can quit talking, bro.
Mommy.
You need to quit all that talking. I'll give you the business, homie.
Hot, cold, and water.
Oh, here you go.
Fish and animal.
Ah, man.
No,
What, baby?
My bird is snake.
Yeah.
Mom, his bird is
You done acting up? No? Let's go, mama. So we're gonna, then we're gonna get food. And then we're gonna go back to the house and put this board on the bed. And we'll show you guys what happened when we get there. Oh, man.
no.
All right, today we're getting Raisin Canes. We got Josiah. Say what's up, bro. B, Cielo, Tubby. Cielo, say hi.
Hi.
Should we eat out here or should we eat inside?
We could probably eat out here so the kids can just run around.
All right, we'll do that.
And she's most
Damn,
likely
she just
to
opened that door by herself. What should we get? What do you want to order? We could get what we usually get, the combo, and then the girls could probably share one, right?
Yeah.
We're really gonna touch it. The 2 chicken finger one. We'll get him one. So 2 for the kid one, and then we'll get the cognac combo. And if it gets to the point where we're gonna eat it, and then we'll come back. Eat the food, we'll come back. Get up off the ground, girl.
She said, psych.
Oh, what do I get? What's
You need to get. Look. Sorry.
They grab their shit.
Come on, mama. We're gonna order our food and then take it outside and we're gonna eat it. You gotta hold that, girl. You gonna pay, mama? You gonna pay? Flavor Flav. We just ordered our food.
Old ass.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. All right, thanks. Gonna go outside. outside now. Josiah's throwing a fit, waiting for our food. What's wrong with the mama? Always eat outside. What do you mean?
When have we ever ate outside?
Poor Josiah's throwing a fit. Always.
Should have got her own drink.
Oh my God.
Want to go back and get one?
No. Hey, don't throw your stuff.
Give her Josiah's because Josiah don't want to eat. Here, you could have Josiah.
I'm drinking.
Well, quit throwing the fit. Or I'm going to give it to her.
Mommy.
I'm going to record you acting up, bro. This is Josiah and he's acting up. Now he's at the garbage can digging in the trash. That's crazy where he Josiah. Come on. Come over here. It's nice outside. Why do you want to be in there? If you want, you can go sit down right there and eat by yourself.
We'll watch you. Go ahead.
You want to go sit down and eat? I can see you. Go sit right here.
I want to eat.
Because it's out here, the girls can run around.
Mom.
It's loud in there. I know, we're waiting for the food.
Over here acting up.
We're waiting for you to stop acting like a crybaby.
Of it. Where do you get that attitude from?
Stop, Josiah. Be nice.
Mama. Shoido.
Chubby, what do you say? What to eat? Mommy.
I know, we have to wait for the food.
Hey,
Pink.
come here, diaper butt. That man's gonna take you. What? Get over here. Hey,
Eat
going.
now.
Stop, Josiah. You're gonna break your cup.
All right, we got our food now. We got a Kenyak combo, fries, chicken tenders, bread. And that's it. See if I can eat this without getting
Mommy.
sauce on my shirt. I'm sure you understand or know, but that's what it'd be like every single day. Every day. But I always want to make a Raisin Cane's mukbang. This kid wants to say what's up. What's your name?
Islam.
Islam? You got a mustache already, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy. How old are you?
I'm 10.
10? That's what's up. What are you doing? You getting canes with your family or what?
Nah, it's my friends.
Oh, okay. How'd you know I was doing YouTube? You seen the camera? You seen the camera or what?
Mommy, what?
You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Who do you watch?
I watched the twin brothers.
Why don't you watch me?
I don't know what your name is.
You gonna follow me or what? I'll give it to you. It's carloscjr. Yeah. How's it going? Cielo's finally eating. carloscjr.
CJR.
Yeah, just all together. Yeah.
Here. Here, Beam.
This is good. Smacking. Raisin Cane's 10 out of 10.
Mom's on the tablet.
No. No.
Alright, so the way that this bed broke is I was standing on it last night, like at 3 in the morning, trying to like put up a curtain, like to cover it, because he's scared people are gonna look in here at night or whatever. So that's the whole reason why we ended up at Home Depot. So hopefully that they cut it to the right size. Let's find out. Bless you. Yep, perfect. Wow, did good. Check it out. It slid right in. What do you think? Put it down? Bless you. All better? See, I can fix anything. We got extra wood right here. You see this wood, bro? This is what I'm gonna use when you act up. Cielo. I got something. I told Josiah we're gonna keep this, and for when he acts up, this we're gonna use to hit him now. Spank him with this. We're gonna write Josiah on this. You act up, you're getting spanked with this. You guys seen how he was acting at Home Depot? This is his new paddle for that ass.
And what about Tubby and B?
There's a new term now. It's called wood to ass, not bout to ass. You want wood that has, bro? Go ahead and act up.
How about Tubby and B?
Well, they're gonna have to find out. They went in there perfectly, like nice and snug. Yeah.
I just downed some coffee, so hopefully that helps me.
You down coffee?
And I took iron coffee.
Okay. Well, the size bed is fixed now.